In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the "This message was sent automatically with n8n" footer from your messages. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring your messages are clean and professional looking can greatly impact how they're received by your audience or clients. Let's break down this process step by step so you can get this done efficiently. First, you'll need to open your n8n workflow. n8n is a powerful and flexible tool that allows you to automate tasks seamlessly, and having the correct setup right from your editor is crucial. So go ahead and navigate over to the n8n editor where you have the specific workflow sending out these messages with the automatic footer. Now you'll want to focus on the particular node responsible for the delivery of these messages. This could be the Gmail node if you're sending emails, or perhaps the Telegram node if you're broadcasting via messaging apps, among others. Click on this node to bring up its configuration. Once inside the node's configuration panel, your task is to locate the section labeled Additional Fields. This section houses all sorts of customizable fields that can alter how your node functions. Next, you need to ensure the Append n8n attribution field is visible. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Simply look for the option to add a field. Click the Add Field button, and a list of potential field options will appear in front of you. From this list, find and select Append n8n attribution. This field is crucial because it controls whether or not the automatic footer appears in your messages. Once you've added the Append n8n attribution field, you should see a toggle or checkbox right beside it. Your goal here is to disable it. By toggling it off or ensuring the checkbox is unchecked, you effectively tell n8n to omit the automatic footer from your message. After making these adjustments, it's important to save your work. Close the Nodes panel to finish up this particular configuration, but don't forget to save the entire workflow to ensure your changes are implemented. Now comes the testing phase. Execute your workflow to verify that everything looks as it should. Check the messages being sent out to ensure the automatic attribution is no longer included. It's always best to run a test message to yourself or a trusted recipient to make sure that everything is working perfectly without any unwanted footers. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to take control of how your communications look to others. By customizing this setting in your n8n workflow, you maintain a clean and professional appearance that best represents your brand or personal communication style. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and happy automating.